Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to quickly create a website on Elementor editor for free using AI. We will be using this free plugin called Advanced Add-ons. It has AI chat feature for Elementor and WordPress block editor. Let's get started. First, you'll need to install the plugin and ensure the Elementor Atomic Editor is enabled. To access the AI chat, simply click the AI chat icon located on the toolbar in the top right corner. In this tutorial, I'll be using the GPT Luna model. You can choose the AI model that suits you based on your activated AI connectors in the WordPress connector settings. Make sure to provide your own key and enter it in the connector settings. If you'd like to try it for free, you can use a Google API key. Simply create the API key on the Google Gemini API platform. Let's add a prompt here. Create a portfolio page for a web designer. I'll shorten the processing time in this video. If you're requesting a full page, it might take 1 or 2 minutes. However, creating a section is quicker. Here's the output. You can achieve better results by providing a more detailed prompt or attaching a design.md file. It added images from Unsplash because I provided an Unsplash key in the connector settings. These images are just placeholders, and you can change them later. Here I want to show you the structure of an Elementor block that being used. It utilizes Elementor version 4 blocks, including div blocks, heading blocks, paragraph blocks, and image blocks. And of course, all the contents are editable. This just native Elementor v4 block. Let's save the page and see how it looks on the front end. Here's the front end. Let's inspect it to see how responsive the page is. Okay, no problem here. We can always request on the chat if we want something to be fixed. Let's try make some edit using AI. I want to make it dark mode. I'm not selecting the correct element here. To make an edit, you need to select the element first. On this case, I should select all the element by selecting the parent div block. Try again. Make it dark mode. This is the output. It is not great, to be honest. The better approach should be to edit smaller sections. The edit works by reading the page content and including it in the prompt and replacing it with the new generated content. Let's save it and see how it looks on the front end. This is the edited page on the front end. This is our first introduction to the AI chat for Elementor. You'll find the plugin link in the description below. In future videos, we'll dive into creating more advanced web pages. Thanks for watching and have a great day.